Alright, new bike check. I'll start up front with nitous OG bars, odyssey long neck grips. If you have sweaty hands, they're really slippery, so they kind of suck for that. But they're really good lasting grips, that's good. Snafu stubby bar ends. Eastern choker 3-stem. Everybody says it sucks, but it's good. Bars don't slip or anything. Oh, and the bars are cut up to 25 inches. They were like 28, 29. Stock fork. Animal ASM. Front tire 2.10. Alienation 440 rim. Stock front hub. Stolen headset. Eastern plastic pedals, stock cranks, Shadow Conspiracy screen sprocket, Shadow alfred light seat clamp, snafu seat, my old KMC chain. Right now I'm running a 25-11 gear ratio. It's pretty soft. I don't like it. I gotta get the 9.2 for the back. The back hub is Odyssey hazard hub. The back rim is also alienation 440 rim. The tire animal ASM 1.95, and I think that's it. Let me see if I could do a Smith first try. I gotta go to my backyard now. Alright. Animal. Stickers. More stickers. Oh, cool. Hey, look what they sent me. Shaver.
What, you asked for it?
No, like they've been doing that to a lot of people. I don't know why they send it.
You should have done it.
Book bag, cinch bag, same thing. Shadow screen sprocket. Magazine and papers. Wrong shoes, so I gotta return it. The other ones are coming tomorrow. Yeah, that's it.